Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Tuesday and lockdown pa rin dito sa Denmark guys, and kaya nasa bahay lang ako. And then to show you may dumating na package. In-order ko siya online guys. It's pandacia.deco and ano siya, parang mga Asian products. Nandito yung asawa ko.
Look at the nice box you're sending in. Top table poultry.
Yeah.
Made to serve.
Martin ba? Martin, what are you doing?
I'm just making
Ay.
transition.
No, put it back. Put it back. Shut up. It's nice actually. Okay, so yun guys. Gawin natin ulit because my husband is so annoying. Anyway, ito yung package na binili ko and it's from pandacia.deco, and I think the one who owns this shop is a Korean. Yeah, Asian. So, yun. So, nakita ko siya sa Facebook at ang daming bumibili ng mga Pinay din doon. So, I tried.
God,
Tapos,
your blouses crumble.
I don't care. You're so annoying. So, anyway, so kinuha ko siya kasi today I got a message from the company that they put my package to one of the gasoline station here in Denmark. So, we went there and pick it up. Tapos, yung mga binili ko guys, mga goodies.
Hi guys, we're back.
Shut up. So, yun guys. So, we have to, I'm opening it right now. Actually, it's just mga snacks, Asian snacks. And it's not specifically Filipino products. There are some that's like Japanese or something. Basta Asian. At first time kong mag-order sa sa shop nila. And it's so nice kasi 3 days lang andito lang. Grabe naman sila makapack. Oy. I cannot. Ang OA ko, I cannot. Husband ko guys, nandyan lang sa gilid, nakatingin sa akin. Nakakainis talaga, oy.
Kom nu for helvede.
Shut up, Martin, oy. So,
You're back again. Take 5. It's really difficult to open the box.
Martin, you're so annoying with me.
You can do it. Mind your fingers.
Yes, I am minding my fingers. Okay. So now, open na siya at last. I ordered actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7 products. Yes, ito yung lahat na in-order ko guys. And most of these products hindi ko pa na-try before. So I'm excited. Kasi the other day, I was really craving for, Asian snacks. And wala dito, and yung palit, yung Asian store dito sa Denmark is in Copenhagen. So that's a very long drive from here. So I was really craving for, and then I saw this pandacia.deco. So nag-order ako guys. First time ko order doon, and I'm really happy. Hindi ko nga alam ano itong mga pinag-order ko. This one, Happy Star. Sana masarap siya.
Oh wow, that looks so good.
It's so yummy.
Oh, it looks good.
Next na in-order ko, bakit puro green ito? Oy, next na in-order ko is vegetarian green pea snack. Oh.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it's like all green stuff here.
Wow.
This one, the flavor niya seaweed.
Wow.
Seaweed yung flavor niya. Yummy. Next is ito talaga pang Pinoy. Yan, nakalimutan ko na yung price guys. Nasa, ewan ko, 15 kroner, 10 kroner ata. Tapos, meron pala akong ito? Milk tea. Milk tea. There. So, ako lang pala magmi-mix-mix nito kasi parang Ano siya? Yeah.
Move on.
Milk tea.
I'm so excited.
Next is
Oh, you got Pocky. Wow.
matcha
Pocky.
green tea flavor.
Oh my God. You can
Ito.
get those with chocolate also, but no, we don't have to have that. Oh my God. If we could just have some of those, it would
Hi,
actually taste
there
nice.
is another one here you can eat. So anyway, this one, I ordered that. Hindi ko pa siya na-try, but I've been seeing a lot of this, online. So I was thinking, okay, I want to try that. That would be nice. And next is, I'm pretty sure Martin would love to eat this Pocky cookies and cream taste because he doesn't like green tea and all. So ito para sa kanya, at least in all of this, he get one that's yumsy for him. And then bumili ako nito. Dong roasted chicken. Roasted chicken, pero that's cheating because when you look here, it's kimchi. So yun guys, ang aking mga pinambili. Open muna natin ang kimchi guys. Never pa talaga ako nakakain ng totoong kimchi. I mean, I've tasted it before. It was homemade from Martin's friend and his Danish. So I'm not really sure if it was the right kimchi or not. Anyway, bumili ako ng kimchi. Ito siya. Ito, talaga na, I still remember the price, 30 kroner. And, gusto ko siya ma-try because gusto ko lang siya ma-try. Ano ba talaga yung lasa ng totoong kimchi? And, I don't know, saan ba galing itech? Hindi ko makita kung saan to galing. Ay, Korea! Saan galing? Nandyan pala yung flag, guys. Oy. There you go. So, kakainin ko siya mamaya. And let's see. So, yun. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products.
Wow, so it add up. It's a list you started in the beginning. Congratulations! I want to know how much is the price of all this.
Actually, it was...
No, don't actually mean price.
I don't remember.
Hardcore numbers.
It was 100... I think I paid 149 including shipping.
That's a lie.
It's not a lie. Shipping was 39 kroner. So anyway, 100 plus. At andito na siya. And I like this, and maybe my husband will think it's expensive, but I don't think so because these are special product from Asia. So happy ako. So anyway, yun guys, at least I got my food and I'm gonna try to eat this. Ano pa una kong kakainin? Should I eat this? Would you like to taste this? This is a yummy.
No, don't eat anything. You have to have a mukbang. You should make a mukbang. It's pure Asian thing, mukbang. You just eat it and you're very loud when...
Wait, Martin, you're so noisy.
Actually, just eat like you normally do because you're very loud when you eat.
Don't be so noisy. Martin, but stop. Yun guys, ang sweet talaga namin ng asawa ko. We're so sweet together. Anyway, yun guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your evening.
I feel sorry for your viewers.
Why?
Waste of fucking time.